Why don't Snorlax and Swellow play hide and seek together? Because even asleep, Snorlax is pretty hard to swallow. And now, let us look at 11 critical differences between the two. Let's compare the differences between Snorlax versus Swellow from the Pokemon universe. Difference 1. Snorlax and Swellow belong to different types of Pokemon. Snorlax is classified as a normal type Pokemon, which means it has the most balanced characteristics and generally does not have extreme strengths or weaknesses. On the other hand, Swellow is classified as a normal and flying type Pokemon, which gives it abilities related to the air and speed and also makes it vulnerable to electrical and ice type moves. Difference 2. Their characters and designs are based on different animals. Snorlax is a bear-like Pokemon that is generally shown as sleeping or being lazy, while Swellow is a swallow-like Pokemon that is often depicted as an active, swift-moving bird. Difference 3. The abilities of Snorlax and Swellow are different. Snorlax's key abilities are immunity or thick fat, and his hidden ability is gluttony. This ability lineup gives Snorlax resistance to certain status ailments, protection against fire and ice moves, and allows it to eat certain items earlier than usual. Meanwhile, Swellow has the abilities Guts or Scrappy, with its hidden ability being the Swellow-only move, Air Relate, which boosts the power of normal type moves. Difference 4. The evolutions of these two Pokemon are also different. Snorlax does not evolve from or into any other Pokemon, while Swellow is the evolved form of Tailo, a smaller bird Pokemon. Difference 5. In terms of size, Snorlax is much larger and heavier compared to Swellow. According to Pokédex entries, Snorlax can reach a height of 6'11" and weight of up to 1,014.1 pounds, whereas Swellow is only 2'4" tall and weighs 43.7 pounds. Difference 6. Snorlax and Swellow also have variations in their base stats. Snorlax boasts high HP and attack stats but suffers with lower speed. Swellow, on the other hand, has significantly lower HP and defense stats but excels in speed. Difference 7. The appearance of Snorlax and Swellow are starkly different. Snorlax is a blue, bulky and sleepy-eyed bear-like creature, while Swellow features a sleek, streamlined body with blue and red coloration, reminiscent of a swallow. Difference 8. Snorlax and Swellow are introduced in different generations of the Pokemon series. Snorlax was introduced in Generation 1, while Swellow didn't make its debut until Generation 3. Difference 9. The gender ratios for Snorlax and Swellow are different. Snorlax has a higher chance of being male with an 87.5% male to 12.5% female ratio, while Swellow has an equal chance of being either male or female. Difference 10. Snorlax is famous for its signature move, Rest, which allows the Pokemon to heal itself fully and cure any status conditions. On the other hand, Swellow is known for its move, Aerial Ace, which never misses its target. Difference 11. Lastly, the breeding groups for these two Pokemon are different. Snorlax belongs to the monster breeding group, while Swellow belongs to the flying breeding group. This defines what types of Pokemon it can breed with. Overall, these two Pokemon differ in many aspects, each having its own unique traits, abilities, and characteristics.